appreciate you all being here today, and we're ready to have some fun.
What is that truck right there?
So this is our Careers on Wheels event. The past couple weeks, we have been learning about community helpers and researching different jobs in our community.
Do you guys want to see our tools over here?
Yeah. So now this concludes that unit and how the different jobs help where we live.
It's pretty big, huh?
All right, climb on through, Charlie.
There are 12 vehicles here at the bus loop at Pleasant Knoll Elementary School.
My next three, are y'all ready?
Featuring community volunteers
Only when we're for emergency we can do that.
to educate these kindergartners on many possible career choices, all on 4 wheels, or a few with much more than 4.
How a light picks up the trash, that it can pour the trash in the garbage truck.
This wasn't a throwaway adventure, as these students got to build upon their classroom lessons.
But now this makes it more meaningful and real life for them to hear from the experts themselves about what they do, why it's important, how they use their vehicle, and it's really exciting for the kids. Especially for our early childhood students, seeing things up close and having hands-on is really a way to create those lasting memories and hands-on learning experiences that are going to really facilitate more questioning and learning more about what jobs we have in our community.
Everyone had their favorite wheel career.
The Panther truck, fire truck, Panther truck. There's a table and a bunk bed. The police car and the fire truck and the bus. My favorite vehicle is the police car. The police car. Police car. And red light.
And we have red lights sometimes.
These students love interacting with all these professionals.
Ready, go!
From STEAM educators, to food truck business owners, to caterers, to construction engineers. To, well, even this professional who's not afraid to ask the tough questions.
So what's your favorite adult you've talked to today?
You.
Can someone tell me what recycling is?
All of these volunteers are giving these students a little taste of their potential professions. They're hungry for information, hungry to explore, and, well, just hungry.
Snow cones. Because I love to eat snow cones.
So that's the shredder up there.
This is the second year that the Career on Wheels event has been held at Pleasant Knoll Elementary.
If you've already rotated, you're good to go.
Kindergarten teacher Kelly Sessions believes
All right, go on through so the next group can come.
that this experience is an excellent example
You want to see the hose? Is that what you asked me about?
Yes!
of how the community comes together to help its youngest learners.
Whoa! I hope that it sparks interest in different careers and different jobs in the community that they may never have even thought of before.
Does anybody know what the Foreman Police Department is?
Thinking about how they can help their community, and when they see a trash truck, they know more about that job and what it entails, and when they see the firefighters, they know what the inside of that truck looks like. So I hope they're able to go home and share this experience and create lasting memories.